Hi, this is Chris Lueking. I'm a horticulture educator for Illinois Extension, serving Bond, Clinton, Jefferson, Marion, and Washington counties. Today we're going to talk about soils. And whenever we're thinking about our houseplants, we need to be thinking about the soil types that we're going to use, because it's very important to use the correct soil for the correct plant. So if you have a flowering plant, like our ZZ plant or a snake plant or a spider plant, you want to think about using a soil that has compost, possibly some coir, coconut coir in it, a little bit of perlite in it. We're wanting to have it a really porous type of media that they'll be able to use so the water drains away. And we also want to have good organic matter so that it gets all the nutrients it needs as it's continuing to grow. Now, if you're going to repot a plant such as a succulent or cactus, we're going to want to have the potting soil that contains more sand or perlite mixed to it, because we want really good drainage. They want everything away from their roots because they're going to have root rot. So you can see this is really fluffier soil, and this is a little more dry than what the other one looks. As you kind of look at the two of them compared, you can see that this one is a little clumpier. It's got larger particles and larger granular pieces that's going to be here, where this one is really fine and it filters right through my fingers. This is great for our succulents and cactus because that allows that water to pull away from the root system. Another one that we can use that's becoming more and more popular is coconut coir. So it's a better mix if we're going to use it for houseplants and things like our orchids, where you want that bark, more of a larger area for air and porous regions that get the water away quickly. But this one's being used as a mix. This is a great mix to kind of get your transplants started before you bump them up into a larger pot.